In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account private. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, head over to your profile by first heading over to the menu section of Facebook. And here, go ahead and click on your profile name, and this will take you to your profile. On your profile, beside the edit profile button, you'll find this three dots, which will take you to the profile settings of your account. Now go ahead and click on lock profile to be able to lock your profile on Facebook. So this will allow you to make your photos, post videos, and other forms of post on Facebook be accessible only on your Facebook friends. Now, to make it more private, another thing that you can do is to head over to your settings. You'll find the settings under the menu section. So in here, go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you'll be able to find this, how people find and contact you. So click on this. Make sure to set the who can send you friend requests to friends of friends only, and set who can see your friends list to only me. Make sure to set each of this to no one to make sure that your account will not be suggested for those who have your email address and phone number. Once you have this all set, you now have a private Facebook account. And that's how you can make your Facebook account private. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.